Hey crew, we're on Bribie Island and we're having a bit of a flick around with the GIZMO crustacean from the Oz Tackle team. I love having a flick with this guy on beaches or sandy bottom creeks, anything where it can hit the bottom, give it a bit of a flick, mimics a small crab, small crustacean perfectly, and yeah, let it sit on the bottom, give it a bit of a jig and see what hits it. Right, let's go and get some fishing in. All right, let's have a flick and see what we can catch. Oh, it's cold. Ooh. Gonna cast past the breakers and all the way into the trench. And we just wanna, it's a nice heavy sinker, so we will just wanna have it hit the bottom. And it's going to scurry across the bottom like a small crab that's running away from a flathead. We've had a cast around for about 20 minutes. Doesn't seem like there's much activity around here, so we're going to move on and try somewhere else. So we didn't have much luck in our first spot, so we've driven, about 2 k's down the coast. We've seen a little bit of bird life down here, so we're going to have another flick. Well, we didn't have any luck down on the beach side, so we're here at the Wrights Creek Bridge. We're just going to have a bit of a flick in with the GIZMO Spinnerbait and see what's around. My favourite thing about our travelling beast is hang our lures up. I love that actually.